I understand from the majority leader that we are not going to take up the Libya resolution now. And I would just urge them that before we descend into any potential partisan warfare on any other issue, there is a bill that is ready for the Senate consideration right now, that is overwhelmingly, unanimously approved by Democrats and Republicans on the Appropriations Committee. And it's ready for Senate consideration this week. My hope is that we will now, or maybe tomorrow, take up the Military Construction and VA Appropriations Bill, which Senator Johnson and I have co-authored, which Senator Inouye and Senator Cochran have approved. It's $1.2 billion in discretionary spending below the President's request. It's $620 million below the enacted level. And it's even $2.6 million in budget authority below the House mark. This is ready to go. And so, absent debate on some other resolution which has little to no future in the House of Representatives, my hope is that we will follow the House that has already approved the VA Milcon Appropriations Bill. We will take up overwhelmingly bipartisan legislation that benefits our men and women in uniform and those veterans, and that we will not waste this week on legislation that has little to no future. Instead, we will achieve something this week by having taken up the Milcon VA bill, which was so overwhelmingly approved by the Senate Appropriations Committee just last week. And with that, Madam President, I yield the floor.